The way that technology is having an impact on consumer and market research is that we're having respondents actually invest in the technology. Years ago, we used to try to get close to consumers by sending out things like flip cameras. Nowadays, they're actually buying smartphones with phenomenal camera technology and wireless capability to be able to actually give us in-the-moment feedback. So if they're in a store, at a car dealership, at home, giving us a tour of their pantry and kitchens, they're able to actually beam this stuff up directly from their cell phone to our platform. Instead of having to send them technology like we did in the old days, we're actually able to have them go out and buy the latest, greatest stuff that pushes the edge. Another way that the technology is changing the game is the platform itself is able to embed analytic tools that make the research process for the consultant a lot easier, simpler, and better. Instead, you've got Excel exports, and people used to work from, basically spreadsheets. Nowadays, they're actually able to do some of the analytics on the site itself. Now, they don't have to do it on the site. They can still go to the old school method of using Excel exports, but being able to actually do the analysis and identify themes, create folders, grab quotes, pictures, video, whatever it happens to be, and actually place it in the analytics zone so they're kind of prepping for their presentation is really one of the big developments that online has provided to consultants. Another way that technology is changing consumer research is broadband. Think 5, 6, 7, 10 years ago, people had dial-up, people had DSL. Those were slower technologies that didn't allow the transmission of video and images as nicely and as easily as they are today. What we have today is a situation where everybody has broadband virtually, and not just in the US, but internationally as well. So that connectivity between the consumer, their technology, and our technology is all there. It's been invested in, it's been developed, and it's fast as lightning. For the client, technology has really changed their level of engagement. If you think of it, in the old days, people were waiting to see a report a couple months after a study ended. Nowadays, people are actually able to go online and look real time at data, whether it's video, whether it's pictures, collages, images, storytelling, whatever the activity happens to be, they're able to log in from their cell phone, from their iPad, from their tablets, from their computer at their desk, or when they're at home at night having a glass of wine after a long day at work. They're able to actually engage. So the level of client engagement has really jumped leaps and bounds over where it was even just a couple of years ago. Again, broadband brings that. The interest in what the activities actually are to them has made it more engaging, and the overall just acceptance of online research and the desire to dive deeper is immediately at the fingertips of respondents. The level of client engagement has really ratcheted up over time because, again, the ability for them to use all the technology devices that they have in their lives and be able to tap into a study and connect with consumers really at any point in time in a study or at any point in time in the day. And really, that's become a game changer.